D.
So,
Stand over here by your stage.
Sing
Twinkle,
ABCs.
twinkle,
You can do ABCs.
And hold your microphone down a little bit.
twinkle, twinkle.
hello,
Listen to this. Can you do ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It's too loud there.
It's called Echo, Elizabeth. Can you say Echo?
Echo.
Don't put
Say-
your mouth on it, okay?
Say,
Hold it down.
say Elizabeth.
Just like that.
Say Elizabeth.
It still works. You hold
Like
it down.
Say Ellie.
No, not on the mouth.
Ellie.
Say
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I said my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Yay!
Okay, I'll turn the echo off. Now it'll be normal. Go ahead and do it again.